Castellan, I take it.
Yes, Davros. An honor to work for you, sir.
Then allow me to show you the future of our beloved Khaled race. Behold, my Mark III travel machine. The war has caused the Khaled race to mutate, but within this casing we can evolve, we can start anew, we can become stronger than ever.
We will become the supreme race in the universe!
Observe a bonded polycarbide shell, a ruby ray blaster, and a multi-dexterous claw capable of annihilating 1,000,000 fowls. My ultimate masterpiece of design.
Yes, I did some research on the name, sir. Since we're called Khaleds, I thought our future selves could be an anagram of Khaled. Like Lekad.
No.
Adlek.
No.
Clade.
No.
Edlaka.
No.
Davros, I need your confirmation to begin the next bombardment, sir.
One moment, and touch nothing. Is that understood?
Yes, sir. Edlek.
Hello. Just passing by, because I got a bit lost. It's funny. 60 minutes ago, I was this really brilliant woman. And now I've got this old face back again. I mean, why? Why? I ask of you, my brand new friend. Why? You're a bit of a puzzle. Oh. I'm sorry.
Oh, no.
I am so sorry. I think I broke this multi-claw adaptable. What is it? Oh. That's a Dalek.
Oh, good word. Dalek. Yes, that's it.
I'm lucky I wasn't exterminated.
Exterminated? Yes, but yes. Good word, great.
Wait a minute. Do you mean this is the genesis of the Daleks?
Oh, this is the stuff. Thank you, thank you.
No, stop it. Look, I was never ever here. Never. The timelines of the canon are rupturing. I'm just gonna go, and you're not gonna say a word, okay?
No, but you broke the multi-claw adaptable thingy-majig.
Oh, yeah. Right. Hold on.
Never here.
Now, where were we, Mr. Castellan? Ah, the splendid design of my secondary.